Pahokee High students excited to unwrap computers for the upcoming school year.
When all the computers came down, it was like, whoa, these are for us, and it was really nice.
This school of 800 students getting 400 new computers.
They're smaller and they have like better RAM.
New technology opportunities, just one part of campus improvements. Glades Region Superintendent Angela Avery Moore
Do we expect this project to be finished by the end of this week?
works with Facilities Manager Zygmunt Stankiewicz. Their to-do list includes renovations to the bathrooms, new lockers, roof work, campus beautification, and a fresh coat of paint all over the school.
And so we definitely want to make sure that our students have an opportunity to come back to school feeling excited about the school that they're attending.
There are also plans to provide areas for students
It would have the benches for the students to sit.
to hang out and work together on projects.
Fresh, clean campus, someplace that's inviting and inspiring to them to learn.
Hard work over the summer to ensure improvements are in place on the first day of school. It's all about Pahokee pride. I'm Rick Blackwell for the Education Network, keeping you informed.